Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you EBS 2 lesson number 18 management of the welfare state of Swaraj. So शिवाजी महाराज ने स्वराज किंगडम स्टार्ट किया था. Then how did he managed everything? Okay, let's see in our lesson how did Maharaj has used his management skill in maintaining the welfare of Swaraj. Let's start. Shivaji Maharaj struggled long against many unjust powers. They were the Adil Shahi and Mughal powers, the Portuguese and the cities of Janjira. That is how an independent Hindvi Swaraj was created. So शिवाजी महाराज ने बहुत सारे पीपल से फ़ाइट की, बहुत सारे किंग से फ़ाइट की, लाइक आदिल शाह एंड मुग़ल पावर्स, पोर्तुगीज सिटीज़, इन सब से फाइट करने के बाद ही हैड एस्टैब्लिश्ड एन इंडिपेंडेंट हिंदवी स्वराज. फॉर स्मूथ वर्किंग शिवाजी महाराज डिवाइडेड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इनटू 8 डिपार्टमेंट्स. सो अभी प्रॉपर हिंदवी स्वराज को चलाने के लिए उन्होंने कितने डिपार्टमेंट्स बनाए थे? 8 डिपार्टमेंट्स. इट मीन्स ही डिवाइडेड हिज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इनटू 8 डिपार्टमेंट्स, 8 डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स. ही अपॉइंटेड अ मिनिस्टर इन चार्ज ऑफ ईच. This was his famous council of 8 ministers. So for every department he have appointed a minister. These were 8 ministers of his council. The Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj was a state run for the welfare of the people in the true sense of the term. It was run with the assistance of the 8 ministers. Shivaji Maharaj himself made the appointments of these 8 ministers and other important officers on the basis of their eligibility and merit. He supervised all their work. So, what did Maharaj did? For smooth working of Swaraj, he have divided his administration into 8 different departments, and for every department he have appointed a minister. This 8 minister, council of 8 minister was very famous too. So, how did Shivaji Maharaj appointed each? What was the main motto of the Swaraj? Is the welfare of the people. सारे लोगों की भलाई, ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट मोटिव था स्वराज का. एंड दैट्स वाई शिवाजी महाराज ने खुद अपॉइंट किए सारे ऑफिसर्स, बट नॉट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एनी कास्ट और रिलीजन, बट ही हैव अपॉइंटेड ऑल द मिनिस्टर on the basis of their eligibility and merit, and he supervised all these 8 departments. Then come to next you have, do you know? Food, clothing and shelter are the basic necessities of life. In a welfare state, these needs of people are satisfied. Women are honored. Common people, peasants, are not deceived. Injustice is not done to anyone. Justice is dispensed quickly. Agriculture and industries develop well. Folk arts flourish. People can live a happy, connected life. So kids, you know, एक अच्छा स्वराज, एक अच्छा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या चीज़ है? To fulfill the basic necessities of every person. What are the basic necessities? Food, clothes and shelter. So in Swaraj kingdom, all the necessities of each and every person were fulfilled. Women were getting respect. Common people and peasants are not deceived. What do you mean by deceived? मतलब उन्हें कोई भ्रमित या बहका नहीं सकते. Injustice were getting completely off, and all of the people who have any trouble was getting the justice. Everything was going very good. People lived happily in the Swaraj created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, the qualities of confidence, self-respect and patriotism strongly emerged among the people of Maharashtra. So, Maharashtrian peoples के पास क्या आने लगा? They were having the confidence, self-respect as well as patriotism. It means लोगों में देशभक्ति जागने लगी for their Swaraj. Let's read out the names of the council of 8 ministers. The council of 8 ministers. First is Moro Trimbak Pingle. He was Pradhan, that is Chief of Administration and Political Department. Ramchandra Nilkhand Muzamdar was Amatya. It means an accountant for revenue and accounts of the state. He used to handle revenue and accounts of the state. Next, Hambirao Mohite. He was Senapati. It means he was commander of the defense department. Moreshwar Pandit Rao was the priest and he used to handle religious matters. Niraji Ravji was Nyayadish, means judge, and he used to handle the justice department. Annaji Datta was Sachiv, it means secretary, and he used to handle all the government orders, it means whatever the orders issued by Shivaji Maharaj. Dattaji Trimbak Vaknis was Mantri, and he used to handle the correspondence department. It means whatever messages used to come to Maharaj or whatever messages was passed by Maharaj, everything, each and every thing was looked by Dattaji Trimbak Vaknis. Then Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir. He was a minister to like Sumant and he used to handle foreign relations. It means bahar foreign countries say proper talking and everything, whatever matters was there, everything was handled by Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir. So kids, here we are ending with our first part. In next video, I will be continuing with explanation of the second part of the lesson. Till that, read it properly. Bye bye.